Halo Dimas Senopati, apa kabar semuanya? Semoga tetap sehat dan tetap semangat di dalam menjalankan segala macam aktivitas. Dan terima kasih banyak bagi yang dalam mengklik video ini. Semoga rezekinya semakin dilancarkan. Guys, di video hari ini kita akan melihat reaksi beberapa orang reaktor atau musisi luar negeri yang sangat penasaran dan antusias sekali melihat lagu-lagu atau cover-coveran terbaik dari Dimas Senopati dan Sampai. Dan seperti apa reaksinya, langsung saja kita saksikan. Mari kita tonton.
So I'm gonna try this out. I've heard the name Skid Row, but I don't listen to metal. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try it. Skid Row, 18 in Life.
So I decided to react to another Indonesian artist that goes by the name of Dimas Senopati. Not my first time reacting to Dimas. And without further ado, let's jump right into it.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Oh, guitar. So it's going to be an acoustic cover with a guitar. Sounds like it.
Baru beberapa detik langsung di pause. Mantap.
Here. Also, he is flexing with his YouTube silver button, but I'm thinking this dude probably already has a golden, button like me right here, because I think he's very popular. Also, it sounds great because they clearly recorded in this studio, which is completely surrounded by wood, so it gives it this very awesome acoustic feel to it.
Ricky was a young boy, he had a heart of stone. Lived 9 to 5 and worked his fingers to the bone. Just barely out of school, came from the edge of town. Fought like a switchblade so no one could take him down.
It's pretty good. I know he looks like a Barbie. I don't mean that in a bad way, it's just that he's got like this really beautiful blonde hair and I always imagine Barbie. But Ricky was a young boy. He had a heart of stone. I wonder why that is.
18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your crime, it's time, and it's 18 in life to go. 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life.
See, it's an acoustic version, but he retained the rock feel of the original song, thanks to the intensity that he's putting in it and the growl that he's creating with his vocal cords. And clearly he is reading the lyrics, right? Because he keeps moving the mouse and scrolling.
18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your crime, it's time, and it's 18 in life to go.
I wonder why people grow up with a heart of stone. I mean, in a lot of ways we all do, right? We have to. Sometimes we get hurt too much that we start building up them walls. Just try to stay in the middle, and then who decides who is the middle? I don't know.
He married trouble at the cruise ship with the girl. Bang bang, shoot 'em
Bang
up.
bang!
The party never
They synchronized it well with the
You
images.
can think of dying when the battle's your best friend and no it's 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your crime it's time and it's 18
Mantap.
life, you got it.
So obviously, Dimas is wonderful, but I want to go back a little bit to Putri Ariani. So obviously, she performed amazingly on AGT 2023, but you guys told me that she had already won Indonesian Got Talent or like a vocal show in Indonesia in 2000.
Oh, ternyata dia juga mensupport Putri Ariani yang dapat Simple Buzzer itu ya. Mantap.
She is that good. I mean, she's already a winner of a full vocal show. You know what I'm saying? So it really does explain everything.
He married trouble at the gossip with the girl. Bang bang, shoot 'em up. The party never ends. You can think of dying when the battle's your best friend and no it's 18 in life, you got it. 18 and love to know your crime, it's time and it's 18 and love to go.
18 in life, you know. Your crime is time and it's 18 in life to go. Yeah.
Dia sepertinya membaca liriknya ya guys.
Yeah, drinking and having a gun, that's not the smartest thing. Definitely not.
To go.
That was fantastic.
They all heard Ricky say.
That was fantastic, and that's a sweep that also Putri Ariani did on AGT and was very impressive. And I'm sorry if I keep going back to her, it's because she really left a huge imprint, a huge mark on me after I watched that performance, you know?
Accidents will happen. They all heard Ricky say. He fired 6 shots to the wing and the tail blow entirely. Fire 6 shots to the wing and the tail blow entirely.
Oh my god, I wonder if it actually hurts his vocal cords to screech like that and scream and growl. So it's interesting the contrast between Dimas and his guitarist, because his guitarist does have that rock and roll, you know, look. Like we can't even see his face. I mean, it's hidden with his rock and roll hair, long hair, right? But when you look at Dimas, he does not look like a rock and roll type of guy, you know, but his voice definitely is. He looks like such a nice, sweet boy.
Your crime, it's time and it's 18 and love to go. 18 and life, you got it. 18 and love to know. Your crime, it's time and it's 18 and life to go. Your crime, it's time and it's 18 and life to go.
My gosh, his voice there reminded me of Aerosmith, you know, Steven Tyler, I think that's his name, you know, because he is famous for being able to reach extreme high notes, right? Like it's incredible. And that's why it actually doesn't really feel like an acoustic version.
Hey, mantap.
Kind of see his face. That was so freaking good. To be honest, it did not feel like an acoustic version. It actually felt like a real song because of what I just said previously, you know?
Oke, mantap. Itu dia guys. reaktor yang laki-laki ini sampai tadi mengatakan Dimas juga layak mendapatkan golden buzzer katanya, seperti Putri Ariani. Waduh, keren banget ya, karena suaranya sama-sama tinggi katanya. Ini apresiasi yang luar biasa sekali dan reaksi yang luar biasa sekali dari kedua reaktor ini ya guys ya. Oke guys, terima kasih banyak bagi yang telah menonton, dan jangan lupa link originalnya ada di deskripsi. Nantikan terus video-video terbaru dari Marsha Reaction, dan sampai jumpa lagi di video berikutnya.
Thanks for watching.